Guys, if you wanna offer branding as a service, this could be your guide. So, for example, magkaroon kayo ng branding client. First, you're going to book a discovery call with them. Discovery call is wherein you will be talking to the client and assess what they need and what they have to do to achieve their goals. Syempre, magtatanong kayo. Guys, just a reminder, wag kayong matakot magtanong. A lot of people, including me before, takot ako magtanong because I was scared na baka sabihin ni client na, ba't to nagtatanong ng ganito? Ang daming tanong. Hindi pa to marunong? No, it's part of the learning process. Explain to the client that you have to know about the business or you have to know about the brand para ma-present mo yung brand talaga as is. And parang mas maging personal talaga yung content na mabibigay mo and the branding. So again, sa discover call, you ask questions and get what you need from them. Like for example, ask them what they prefer, ano yung gusto nilang mga di ba na-discuss natin yan sa brand natin or sa module natin about branding, what really is branding and it's important. So you're going to ask them ano yung gusto nyong kulay, ano yung gusto mong ma-feel ng client pag nakita nila yung brand mo. You're going to ask them that because that will be your basis in creating your logo. Actually guys, alam nyo, when I tried offering branding and creating logos, actually, ang pinakamahirap talaga is yung sasabihin ko, uy, ano yung preferred nyo na logo for your business? And then they will say, bahala ka na. Do you know how crazy that is? Na parang, anong bahala na ako? I don't even have a basis or kahit isang ano man lang clue on what they want, on what their ideal logo is. Kasi minsan kasi when you show the client what your output, dun pa nila masasabi, ay ayoko niyan, pwede red na lang, tapos ganun. Iba eh. So nag-effort ka na gawin na yun, na logo na yun, tapos sasabihin nila, ay, palitan mo yan. So, it's important to ask them what they want para yung magawa mo is closer to their ideal logo. So, pwede ka rin magtanong, what's your favorite logo? Ano yung mga logos na gusto mo? For example, Puma, or Nike, or Apple, or what else? Kasi magkakaroon ka na ng idea nun eh. So, siguro minimalist yung gusto niya, or she wants something fancy, makakakuha ka na ng idea doon. So, again, don't forget to ask questions, their preference, and their ideas on what they want their brand to look like, and their logo to, kung ano yung gusto nilang mangyari sa logo nila. So, before you end the discovery call, or before you start, make sure you have a pen and a paper to list all the details. Kasi sa discovery call, when you talk, malalaman mo na yung ni client eh, yung personality niya, you get the idea of who she is, lalo na pag discovery call. That's why I prefer discovery calls kasi you get to speak to the client, you get to see him or her, is she funny, is she outgoing, is she strict, is she, you never you never know kasi pag chat lang. So mas maganda talaga pag face to face or nakakausap mo siya. If you guys don't like discovery call and you kind of nahihirapan pa kayo for now, you can send them questionnaires. So you can have it through Google Forms or an Excel sheet or a Word document. Pwede niyo siyang, you will list all your questions there and then make it as simple as possible para maintindihan ni client. You can also give examples para di sila malito. Doon nyo siya, isasend nyo siya sa client and then ibabalik yun ni client sa'yo with the answer. So, at least you have the idea of what the client wants, diba? So, second part is the assessment and research. So, basically, when you receive the thing or the document or pagkatapos ng discovery call nyo, syempre may notes ka na, may ideas ka na kung ano yung gusto ni client. That's the time you'll do research and assessment. So, siguro may ideas ka na pwede ma-add or kasi what if it's it's a food brand and then the client wants something black or 'di ba? So I don't know, siguro may ma-research ka na what if she wants something colorful but it's not good for the brand to have a colorful, color palette. So may mga ganun kasi na instances eh. So do your research and have assessment. Third part is the proposal. So basically, pang ilang basically ko na to. Joke lang. So, the third part is the proposal. Dito mo na siya, pagsasenda ng proposal. Client, according to my research, this is what's good, and this is what you want. My only suggestion is blah, blah, blah. So, if you are okay with my suggestion, we can go for this. Or, if you don't want it, then we just forget about it and focus on what you answered in the questionnaire or during the discovery call. So, kung ano yung response ni client, syempre, sasabihin ni client, okay, I like your ideas. Sige, go ako sa suggestion mo. And then, that time, magko-contract ka na. Magsisend ka na ng contract. Make sure to protect yourself and protect the client. And then, of course, like I said, iwas scam tayo, ask for upfront payment. So, depende na yun sa inyo kung magkano yung gusto nyong percentage na ipapapay kay client. So, usually we ask 50% or depende kasi yun eh. Pero sa branding, we ask 50% down payment. And then, make sure to include it in your contract din kung kailan niya babayaran yung remaining. And also, lastly, don't forget to include sa contract kung ilang revisions ang pwede yung ibigay. Kasi there are times when the clients, parang hindi nila gusto yung ginagawa mo. And then, pang-lima ng revision. So, which is kind of unfair on your side. 'Di ba? Kasi pinaglaanan mo yun ng time. So, include how many revisions you can make or create for him. And if may additional revision siya, and then, pwede ka na mag-add ng fee. So, make sure to be clear on that on your contract. After the contract signing and payment, you're going to send the client an invoice. And of course, sasabihin nyo kay client na I will be sending you a feedback or an update from time to time. And we'll finish the project or logo by Tuesday. Magbigay kayo ng timeline para hindi mainip si client. And that's where the delivery comes in. So, on the first draft, siguro mag-show ka muna ng draft. Look at this draft. Do you like this one? So, communicate. Yun lang talaga yung importante. Just communicate to the client. And there you can offer the service na the logo, the brand guide, the brand board, whatever she asked or whatever you agreed, and then i-check yun ni client kung bet niya, kung may ipapa-change ba siya, or may ipapa-add ba siya. So, that's it. Delivery, checking. And then, lastly, pag si client walang reklamo or satisfied na siya, you can ask for the final delivery, which is you're going to send her the actual, the files, like the Adobe Illustrator file or the JPG, kung ano yung nasa contract nyo, kung ano yung kasali dun sa package, you're going to deliver that along with the remaining payment. So, make sure to ask for the remaining payment first bago nyo siya bigyan ng actual files talaga. Okay? So, yun lang yung parang simple brand designers process na gusto kong i-share sa inyo.